We're talking all about barramundi.
Yeah, I have a question. What is barramundi?
So barramundi is a white flesh fish. Usually in the grocery store you can find it fresh or frozen, cut into fillets already, ready for you to cook.
Okay, now what does barramundi taste like?
So barramundi is definitely a leaner, a more firmer flesh, and it has a mild sweetness. Obviously tastes like the ocean. I think if you have to compare it to something else, I would say a flounder, a sea bass. It's like tilapia's older, better brother. And I think it's great because it can take on the flavor of anything. Super versatile for people who love fish or just starting out.
Okay, Chef Christina, now that we know what it tastes like, can you tell us how you cook it?
Oh yeah! The barramundi can take on the flavor of anything you put on it. Here at HelloFresh you'll find a few recipes where it's simply salt, pepper, and then we'll put the sauce right on top. You can do that on the stove, medium-high heat, add a little oil, add your seasonings to the fish, put it in, skin side down for 4 to 5 minutes, and then flip it for another 2 to 3 to cook it all the way. Or if you want to cook it in the oven, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You want to, again, get it in an oven-safe pan on the stove, sear the skin side down for 2 to 3 minutes, put it in the oven for another 5 to 6, and it'll be perfectly cooked.
Your favorite HelloFresh barramundi recipe?
Okay. Number 1, we have a smoky barramundi with brown butter sauce. Number 2, we have a barramundi with a zesty cilantro sauce. And then number 3, we have a lemon garlic barramundi with roasted Brussels sprouts.
Do you have anything to add about barramundi?
Yes, this is HelloFresh. Of course, we're not gonna give you fish without some lemon to serve on the side. A little squeeze over top and it'll make it sing.